Mr. Topshelf here with Topshelf Kennel Club. Got this beautiful 9-week pup right here. She's ready to be rehomed. She's looking for a forever home. You know, she real energetic. This one right here, she need a home where she gonna be able to roam and have some room, because she's super smart and she like to get out and play games. So yeah, if you like pups like that, energetic pups that's enthusiastic, you know, energetic, this the girl for you right here. She a female, 9 weeks, Topshelf Kennel Club, tap in.